Welcome. This is a tutorial for you to learn about greatest common factor and how you can use it for the civil service exams. The numbers that can divide an integer is called its factor or divisor. For example, the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4, because these are the numbers that divide 4 without having a remainder. Another example is 6, which has factors 1, 2, 3, and 6. It is clear that each number has always 1 and itself as factors. If we select more than one number, we can observe that they have common factors just like having common multiples. What are the common factors of 12 and 18? Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. If we examine the factors of 12 and 18, we see that there are 4 common factors, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Among the factors, 6 is the largest. Therefore, we say that 6 is the greatest common factor, GCF, or greatest common divisor, GCD, of 12 and 18. What is the use of greatest common factor? Well, GCF are used a lot in mathematics, but in the civil service exam, you will use it when you reduce fractions to lowest terms. For example, your final answer is 1218 and 1218 is not on the choices. Then, you know that you have to get the greatest common factor of 12 and 18 and divide both the numerator and denominator by it. So, the answer is 2/3. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, practice problems, and solutions.